Hello dear traders. With you project System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. If necessary, you can pause the video. We propose to study each parameter of the corporation under study more thoroughly. Now we will analyze the company's current performance indicators. EVE Holding Incorporated, ticker EVEX. This review is based on information as of June 17, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company EVE Holding Inc. belongs to the subcategory Aviaprom. 16 companies are involved in the analysis. This is quite representative. We will look at the final solutions towards the end of this video. The overall result for the company in question, minus 8.5 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 1 point. If you look at it broadly, within the framework of the entire stock market as a whole, we see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 8.5 points EVE Holding Incorporated. Comparing the price movement of a company's shares, EVE Holding Incorporated, and subcategory shares, we can see that over the last 12 months the company's shares, EVE Holding Incorporated, showed a 21% dynamic. 37.7% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the company EVE Holding Inc. valued at $1.73 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $347 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.06 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $13 billion. Having compared the market and book value shares, we see the following. Share EVE Holding Incorporated in the subcategory in case of stock market capitalization assessment is 0.497%. The book value is 0.462%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company under analysis has debt obligations of $0.111 billion. Financial liabilities to book value amount to 187% of equity. Assessment of the company's debt level, bad, minus 1 point. The company's price-to-earnings ratio is 0. Average for subcategory 0. Evaluation of market value to profit ratios in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $161 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. Evaluation of indicators of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's price-to-revenue ratio is 0. Average for the subcategory is 3.3. Evaluation of the market price-to-revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $0 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the indicators of expected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The marginality is 0%, with an average for the subcategory of minus 10.4%. Sales profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.064%, which is 677% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is equal to $9,929,000. and in the subcategory $1,274,000. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee is minus $928,700. The average in the subcategory is minus $39,900. Evaluation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's sales per employee are $0,000. In the subcategory $384,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions is 10.4%, with an average for the subcategory of 2.9%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 65% for the company, EVE Holding Inc. While in the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is 53%. The company's shares are actually valued at approximately $5.81. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $6.68. Let's go to the order table, which is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions previously made this season by the reference system for evaluating shares Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the company's assessment EVE Holding Incorporated. Information System of Assessment Guru.Markets, the following decision is made. Order to open a fall at $5.80 per share. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a relatively low valuation. The company's assessment was carried out using the assessment method, the Akim's Index. Take profit is set at 3.22. Stop loss is set at 8.38. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is fixed automatically based on the results of trading on July 17, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, ERJ, is the main buy order. The video of the main deal has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of one of the orders, the main or balancing, another order is fixed at the final price. Thank you audience for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.